Hello guys. Today we try to see something very important that most of the traders don't do and they don't care to do it, and this is a very important thing that you should always take care of. Okay, here is the deal. I understand when you do trades, some are winners, some are losers. Everyone does this, okay? So it's not magic. It's not. If someone tells you that he has 100% all winners and he make millions of dollars from $100, understand that he is a big liar and it doesn't exist, okay? Understand that, just this. Now, two things you should do in order to understand. Let's say you make a trade, it's a winner. Let's say you make 20% profit and you exit the trade. So, is this all, or are you going to look further? Now, most of the traders, they stop here. They do the trade, they take 15%, 20%, or 10%, and they exit the trade and they are happy. Okay? Now, these are winners. Now, let's say it is a loser. Okay? You trade and this is a loser. You lose 2% or 5% or 10%, whatever is your risk tolerance. Now, and then you go to another trade. So, is that all that you do all your life? If you continue to do like this, you always lose money. Now, the thing is, why you lose money, I will explain. I will just go to explain this further. Okay? So, I just give you an example. Okay, just an example. Let's say this is a winner. Okay, you make 20%. It's very good. It's a winner. You make money. Okay? And this is a loser here. A loser. And you lose, let's say you lose 5%, okay? Now, is this all what you do in your trades? Okay? Is this all? I will tell you no. When you make 20%, let's say the stock, you bought it here, it goes, and you sell it here, okay? So this you make 20%. Now, for the loser, okay, you begin here, then it goes down, and you exit here, so you lose 5%. So what else you can do? Now, what I suggest is that all your winners that you have, put them in portfolio. If you use my chart, you will find how to make a portfolio. It's very easy. You do a portfolio of winners, okay, and then you do another portfolio. It's just all the losers together, okay? Now, what do you do later, after this? Try to see this winner that you make money, okay? It has been going down, but did it go up again like this? Yes or no? Now, most of the people, when they exit, they don't see this part. They don't see this good part. Okay? And this could be, this here is 20%, but this here, it could be 70% or 80% or 100%. So if you exit and you buy it again and you sell here, you will be making more money. And this is why your winners becomes big, and then you can make a difference. Now, the portfolio for the losers, for example, the stock you bought it, whatever you bought it at, what price or what is technique or strategy, I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking just you buy and you lose. Now, is the stock continue to go down after 1 week or 2 weeks? And here, if this stock continue to go down, it means here you are correct. Okay? Now, what if the stock, it was going down, but now it's going up? What if you buy it again and you come here. So your loser becomes a winner. So you see where I am going? Now, how you do that? It means you should put your stocks into a portfolio and you follow them. Now, let's say your loser, you lose 5%, but it continues to go down. Now, when it continues for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks going down, what does it mean? That means you are correct. So this loser, this trade that you did, and you exit, you are correct. So you delete this loser from your portfolio because you don't need it anymore, because you are right. Okay? Now here, as you can see, the stock has been going up. Now, what if the stock continues to go down? So here, after you put your winner into a portfolio and you see that the stock is going down and down, it means you are correct. It means your action of exiting the trade is correct. So what you should do, you should just delete this winner from the winners, because it is no more helpful. So you understand? Okay? So if guys, if you follow what I say, you will see big difference, because sometimes it happened to me, it happened to you, it happened to everyone, that a stock was $10, you buy it, after a few days it goes down, you sell it and you forget about it. After 6 months, you find this $10, you find it $200. And you say to yourself, why? Why I didn't check this stock later and later and later to see where it's going? Now, but I'm telling you, this is psychological. I'm telling you that this is very hard. Most of the traders, if I tell you why they say 95% lose always, it's just because they don't follow their work. Okay? They don't follow their trades. Now, good traders, good and excellent traders are doing this as part of their job. Yes, I know it is boring to each day or 2 days or 1 week to follow these stocks, to see them again and again and again. But sometimes these stocks come back and do good. So why you lose? It means why you leave this money on the table. If you bought a stock the first time, it didn't work, but after 1 week or two, it can work. Okay? So you are not always wrong. When you bought it, sometimes you are not wrong. It's just because there is a correction that it is bad, or the stock market, the whole stock market has some bad news. All the stocks will go down, but afterwards the stocks are going up. Believe it or not, do it for your trades, and you will see that you come up with a good profit. Okay? So I know this is something that you that it is hard to do. I know. It's like someone who is lazy, and I ask him to go to the gym 2 times or 3 times a week. Understand that he will never go. Why? Because he's lazy. He doesn't want to. He wants just to eat fast food, to eat whatever, and listen to music and then sleeps. Okay? This is the people. Laziness. Okay? So if you want, like someone who is doing bodybuilding, he wants exercise, he wants to see muscles in his body. What do? You should go to the gym at least 2 times or 3 times a week. So those people who do muscles and build their body, they do some hard work. Okay? They do something. Now, if you see someone who has muscles you don't have, what does it mean? It doesn't mean that this is more intelligent than you, but if you can do the same as him, you will be the same as him. So this is the difference between lazy traders and those who are active. They look for their business because it is your money. Okay? If you buy a stock, it goes down, you sell it, but after 1 week or 2, it goes up. So why you don't buy it again? It can go 10%, 20, 30, 50, 200%. You will never know where the stock goes. So try to do what I ask you, and after a few days, a few weeks, few months, you will see a big difference. You will discover some stocks that you neglect, but they are gold nuggets. They are like diamond. Okay? It's as if you are going to search for gold and you find a gold nugget. It is something that it is so precious. Some stocks are like that. Okay? They are volatile, yes, but when they move so fast that you can make a lot of money. Okay? So thank you very much, guys. If you have questions on this thing that I'm speaking about, how to follow thing, please write it down or send me an email. And thank you very much.